Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevrolet Trax and I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Chevy Traxes made from 2013 all the way up to 2017. Okay, now this is actually quite easy to do. First you want to turn on the radio. Then you want to press this back button in the top left corner to access the main menu. And now you want to press the telephone. And you will get a message, there is no phone connected. You want to connect Bluetooth phone, you will press yes. And now to connect a new phone, I believe you can add up to 5 phones to the system. You will press search Bluetooth device to enable Bluetooth on the vehicle, and then you will have to enable Bluetooth on your phone and pair them together. Okay, and now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. Okay, now all you have to do on your phone, you have to enable the Bluetooth. And once you do that, your device, your phone, should be recognized by the vehicle and it should be displayed on the vehicle radio screen. Okay, and now your phone should be displayed here under the list. Mine is FS22 Plus, and now to make the connection you just want to press onto it. Okay, and then again you will get a message on your phone, Bluetooth pairing request, and this passkey 885389 should be also displayed on the vehicle screen. So you can choose cancel, block or pair. You want to press of course pair, and that will connect your phone to the vehicle. Now this connection might take maybe up to 10 seconds. And now you'll get one more question. Do you want to allow the access to your phone contacts? Again, it's up to you, allow it or deny it. And that's pretty much it. Now you can make phone calls through your vehicle. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.